So for my final project in ENC 3417, I decided to create a movie about all my projects that I created in this class, talking about the literacy in each one and how I established the creative aspects in each one. I hope you like it. So for my first project, I decided to talk about literacy in a new job situation. Mine was in a radio station. Here's a little bit more. In my paper, I shared an experience about going into work when Justin Bieber was arrested in Miami, Florida. This was an experience that I had to realize I was not as literate as my coworkers and having to really learn the skills and the tasks that it took to get information to the public in a timely and accurate manner. The second project was a group presentation where we had to talk about our specific topic in relation to technology and how present-day society works with this technology. Here's a quick look. For the group assignment, I worked with Ashley and Dylan, and we had social networking as our topic. With this topic, we researched the evolution of social networks, including Facebook, Twitter, MySpace, and how our society as a whole has evolved using these social networks and how we've used it in a business standpoint, a personal standpoint, and some of the backlash that these different networks have caused. And for the final project, using PowerPoint to make an interactive game, I decided to use one of my all-time favorite fairy tales to create an adventure for people to see a whole new world of this character. I then put it on a website, which without fail, I had technical difficulties, but I managed. Here's some more. So I decided to do my project on The Little Mermaid. I first started off with this flow chart, deciding different fates for my character, having her bump into an evil person, then find her way and see Prince Charming, but then Prince Charming turned out to be a jerk. I then created an interactive PowerPoint where users are able to go through a whole world with her, an adventure, and then I decided to put it on a website with a beach theme with light colors and pretty backgrounds. One of my favorite parts about this class was the Twitter. I liked being able to share with my peers the headlines about literacy and get their ideas about how technology is playing an impact and role in today's society, and that people that aren't technologically literate are being left behind. Just like reading and writing are and were back then, now technology plays a huge role in people's social lives, and getting a job is impossible without being literate in technology. And I think this was a great platform and really helped me understand not only using technology, but how technology plays a role in people's lives. So I really liked The Diamond Age. I thought it was a really cool read, and I was able to relate to Nala on some levels, and I also have no idea where technology is going to go. I mean, this book just blew my mind out of the park with ideas. I was thinking about like how memories could be stored but in your voice rather than having to write them down or type them. So Dr. Walls, this is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed it and it didn't bore you too much. But also thank you for a great semester. I really enjoyed it, and hopefully I'll take a class of yours in the future.